Hello everyone, and welcome to this short video about SmartChat NORA. My name is Hugo, and I'm here to introduce you to some of the key features of our tool, but also how projects and services use her for their daily activities. First of all, NORA is connected to most of our telecom knowledge library, which means if you are curious about something that is general for telecom, like how to raise a major incident or how to open a new project, you can simply go to the tool and ask the question. Let's make the test. Tell me how to create a new project. Right after you prompt your question, NORA will then be connected to our library of data and try to figure out what would be, from our thousands of processes and document, the best way for that question to raise a new project. But what is the most interesting with these features of NORA is that she is also providing to us the references that has been used to deliver the reply. For example, here we do have some YAM United or some Telecom wiki page. If you want to know more, you only have to click on the references and you will have the possibility to directly access the document itself if you want to know more. Another way to use NORA is what we call the multi-LLM feature. Most of the people don't know, but an LLM or an AI model is a way to think of the AI. It is configured to learn, understand, and discuss about the document in a particular way. In some specific cases, some complex scenarios, like how to handle a major incident or some deep financials analysis, having several AI brains working on the same topic might be very useful to go further the complexity of the scenario, or also to find the possible issues between the document and the lack of data quality. For our example, let's take something simple. I want NORA to access the internet knowledge. I will take Quen as a model. I will also take Meta, for example, and let's say Mistral. And I will ask a basic question, like, for example, what is the name of Batman? Right after you ask a question with this several AI model, NORA will start working, and you will see all of these different AI brains trying to deliver to you the best possible reply. But the key feature of this multi-AI model solution is on the bottom right, the button, Merge Response. If you click on it, it's when the core AI brain of NORA will enter the game, take the previous reply, and give you the best possible output. This is often where you can realize that there is a gap with the quality of your document, or where you might have a gap about the specific analysis of your scenario. Finally, it is nice to play with AI, but it's better to play with your colleague. And in NORA, there is a way to use AI in a collaborative mode, and that is what we call Workspace. In Workspace, you will have the possibility to, for example, create knowledge base where you will be able to share all of the key documents that you want to use AI for. You will have the possibility also to create prompt, how to ask a question to your knowledge base, and to share this prompt with your colleague. And finally, you will have the possibility to create, to customize your own AI model. If you remember previously, I said that an AI model is a way to understand document. It's a way to think, to analyze. In these workspace model features, you will be able to customize this AI model to behave the way you want, the way it fits the most for your daily activity or for your specific use case. And as you can see here, some of the examples on how our project and services are using this customize your own model feature. For example, in order to analyze RFPs or to make quality gate for a project. A last one could be to have an assistant to help me to write technical documentation. And as you can see, a lot more is possible. So my best advice is come to us, discover the tool on your own, feel free to play. And if you have more questions, join us to one of our upcoming NORA sessions. Bye.